Today discuss about how to access a Google spreadsheet using Python. So first create a Google Cloud project. So go to browser. Go to console. I already created. This is my project. Google Cloud provides different APIs to interact with its services. When working with Google Sheets in Python, you need two main APIs. One is Google Sheets API and another one is Google Drive API. Now we have to enable those two APIs to this project. So click on this button. Go to APIs and Service tab. Enable APIs. Enable APIs and services. Here search for Google Sheet API. This Google Sheet API allows you to read, write, update and delete data in Google Sheet programmatically. Click on this one. I already enabled. Then go back API library and search for Google Drive API. This Google Drive API is need to access, share or modify Google Sheets stored in Google Drive. Google Drive API. This API is used to handling multiple files dynamically. So click on this one. I already enabled. Now we want to create a service account. This service account is a special type of Google account. So go here and click I am and admin tab. Go to service account. This service account is used by applications, scripts or server to access Google APIs without requiring user authentication. When using Google Sheets API or Google Drive API in Python, a service account is required. So click to create a service account. Give the service account name whatever you want. Click on create and continue. No need to give the grant this service account access to project. So click on continue. Next click done. So this is your project, demo project. Whatever you created, click on that. Go to keys tab. Click on add key and create new key. Here select JSON, then click create. After click on create, you have to download one JSON file to your downloads. This Google Cloud project offers a 90 days free trial with some free credits for new users. If you want to continue after 90 days, the Google asks you to upgrade before billing starts. After that, open your Google Spreadsheet. Click on Share button. Here give your created service account name here. This is my service account, and give the editor access for this also. After that, click on Send. I already sent. After that, open your PyCharm project and place your downloaded JSON file into your project. After, install 3 libraries. One is Gspread library, Gspread library, and another one is OAuth2 client library, and pandas for this project. After, I already installed. After that, let's start coding. Import Gspread, import pandas as PD form OAuth2 client.service account credentials. Create a function for authenticate Gspread. Credential file. Next, view the scope of your spreadsheet and drive. googleapis.com/auth spreadsheets. Colon. Slash. Create credentials. Service account credentials dot form. Here give the credential file and scope. Return Gspread authorized credentials. Next, create another function to fetch all records from specific worksheet in a Google spreadsheet. So function name, get worksheet data. Here client spreadsheet name, worksheet name. Spreadsheet equal to client.open spreadsheet name worksheet equal to spreadsheet dot worksheet name. Store data in this data variable. Worksheet dot get all records. return pd dot data frame of data. Then create another function to execute the script. Def function name credential file name give your credential file name, that is JSON file name. Spreadsheet name, student data, my spreadsheet name, and worksheet name, form response 1. Authenticate spreadsheet of credential file. Get worksheet data, client, spreadsheet name, worksheet name, print df dot head. This prints the first 5 rows in your worksheet. So let us run this program. So this is my output. I got only 5 rows. So if you want more, then give the number of rows here. So this is the output. Thank you.